Now we will learn about a page management. Page management is nothing but, for example, this particular page. If you like to add one more page, okay, what we can do? We can go to page here in a menu bar, page, select new page, so that one more blank page will be added so that you can start constructing a report or dashboard by using all the options we learned previously. Okay, for example, if you like to copy the page, previous page, if you like to go to the previous page, we say previous page or first page, both are same here, so that you will come back to the first page. If you like to copy this particular page, how to copy that one? We have to go to page, duplicate page. The one more page it will create, that is nothing but duplicate to the this particular page. You can see here three pages are there. One is the page one, second one is the newly inserted, third one is nothing but copy of the page one. For example, if you select here in a page, if you saying a previous page, it will go to blank one. If you again say previous page, it will come to a first page. If you are saying last page here, it will go to a copy page 3 of 3. If you like to delete this particular page, if it is unnecessary page it is, then we say page, delete page. That particular page will be deleted. This one blank page, if you like to delete page and say delete page. This is the way you can copy, delete or add the pages and how to navigate between a pages. The one more thing, how to refresh the data. Here it is there, refresh data button, here it is there, or we can go to view and say refresh data. For example, how it will work, we'll go to our data which is there in our sheet, Google sheet. I'm going to add one more customer here. Okay, I'm just randomly adding here. I will select the same Gmail address. Okay, I will select Gujarat as a, or we can select any other thing also, and we give the, again I will select same date to make it quick. Okay, I'm not giving a status, I'm giving a status like other status. I'm saying other. There is a one more status I have been added. Okay, now we have been added a one data here. It is already updated in your Google Sheet. But how to update in a Google Data Studio? To update here, we have to refresh here. We have to refresh here. Either you can use this one or we can go to view, refresh data. You can observe now here Gujarat has been added. It will take over because the added amount is higher. Okay, it has been came to first, and one more thing has been added. There is the other section added here. Okay, previously there was a 12 clients, now 13. Okay, now you can see the all the things, the size of the bubble. Previously Bangalore was a higher, now Gujarat become a highest one. Okay, and it is a color is dull because number of the invoices are less in a Gujarat compared to the Bangalore. Okay, because of that color gradient is less here. Okay, but the amount wise it is a in a higher in size. You can change the color. How to change the color? We have to go to style and we have to change the color. Some dark color will select. Okay, so that it will be visible. Okay, like this we can modify the, whenever you modify the data, we have to come back to your report and we have to select a refresh data to update those data into your report. Okay, that will be updated into your report. You can add n number of the data to your Google Sheet, where which one you have been connected to this one, and you have to say refresh data.